Welcome to Grammar 5th grade. This will be a shorter video where we're just diagramming and analyzing the first sentence of Lesson to Learn A Together, which is found on page 130 to 131. Please follow along with me. Max was chasing Chip around again. This is a declarative sentence because it is declaring a fact. The subject of this sentence would be Max. Max is the subject because that is what the sentence is about. The verb or predicate is chasing because that is what Max is doing. So I'm going to underline that twice. If there's a predicate verb, sometimes it is a transitive verb, which means there's a direct object. Is there a direct object in this sentence? Yes, there is. We do know what he was chasing. Chip. So I'm going to circle that and label it as D-O. Are there any helping verbs? There actually are. Was is a helping verb. Any more? No, there are not. So now I'm going to go from left to right, see if there's anything that I missed, and then I will label that. Around is a word that I don't have anything labeled on it yet. So what question is around answering? It's telling me where what? Where they were chasing. That means if it's describing a verb, it is an adverb, modifying chasing, answering the question where. Again is telling me when they were chasing. So similarly, it is an adverb, modifying chasing, telling when it happened. All right, let me diagram this. See if you can catch any errors that I make. I'll give you a second to look at this and see if there's any that you notice, but you may also pause the video if you'd like a little bit more time. There are at least 4 errors here. The first one is was. Was is a helping verb, so it's still part of the verb clause. So was should really be up here. Second error is this line. Because it's a direct object, it should be vertical, straight up and down. The next error is again, even though it comes after Chip, is modifying chasing. So this should really be underneath chasing. And then finally, I don't have around anywhere. I've forgotten about that word, which is modifying chasing. Those should be all the errors that I made. So please continue through these other 3 sentences and then also the questions about verbs on the next page. Until next class.